my name is Guido Jr. I'm the general manager and one of the owners here at Arlington Heights Ford. And I just want to let you know some of the precautions that we're taking to protect our customers and our employees during this most difficult time. We're taking every precaution to make sure that everyone here is safe. Let me give you an example of what it would look like if you were to come in and take a look at a vehicle in our showroom. Our showroom is closed. However, by appointment, one of our product specialists will meet you here. It's a very safe environment. I'll show you what it's like inside. We also have the option of at-home pickup or delivery on new vehicles. Also in our service department, we will pick up your vehicle, we will service it, it will return it to you sanitized as well. We're taking every precaution to make sure that everyone here is safe. Let me give you an example of what it looks like inside the showroom. Right now it looks kind of quiet. However, we do have people here on staff to be able to answer your calls from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Or you could go online 24/7, shop our inventory. We do have a digital retailing piece where you can work your entire deal, get an estimate on your trade, as well as estimates on monthly payments, down payments, and rates. And we can send over electronically your driver's license, insurance, registration, all those things, so you don't have to spend the time here at the dealership that you typically would during a normal deal. We do have some managers here on staff, and we are taking every precaution as possible. Again, keeping in mind the 6-foot rule that's in place. We have that throughout the entire dealership. Sorry, Cindy. But as you can see, we've separated our entire staff to make sure that they're safe and we're safe. We are doing regular cleanings every hour, on the hour. Even though people aren't in the dealership, we want to make sure that things are safe. I also have a spotter that watches customers from the time that they pull up to the dealership until the time that they leave, making sure that anything that they have touched, any room that they have gone in, is wiped down and sanitized right after they've left that area. It's not uncomfortable, you won't even notice them. Let's take a walk back to service. Our waiting lounges are open. Right now it's probably empty, but we do have people in here throughout the entire day. I wanted to film this video when there wasn't a lot of people here, but when there are people in here, we ask them to maintain social distance. We spray down and wipe down all the fabrics with CDC proper spray, as well as wiping down any of these surfaces to make sure that everyone is protected. Again, someone's monitoring this process throughout the day. Our cashier area gets wiped down anytime that there's a customer. In fact, if you were going to use a pen to sign something, we even pass you the box so that you can get your own pen out of there and not touch anything else. We've added hand sanitizers throughout the entire dealership, again for your safety. We're wiping down rails on a regular basis, and if anyone is seen touching any surface, we're wiping it down in addition to our hourly cleanings. The service department is busy. I'm happy to say that we've reached out to the municipalities, some of the first responders, some of the hospitals in the area, to make sure that we are keeping their vehicles up and running during this difficult time. We're doing some mobile service as well, where we're heading out to people's houses, heading out to some of the hospitals, doing some pickup and delivery, or doing some on-the-spot service as well. So we do have that available. We're here for you. It's a difficult time. We will get through this.